Hey, what's going on, guys? We're getting tuned in with Don Shorts. Today I got another tutorial. Listen, every day I do this, right? And this joint is so easy. It's just like you just targeting people, you know what I'm saying, that actually have jobs. You know what I'm saying? I'm not targeting people that's already, you know what I'm saying, like online marketers. I'm targeting people that's actually like working at, you know what I'm saying, store companies and stuff like that, but still want extra income on the side. Alright, look, this right here, I go to a site which is like, you know what I'm saying, everything is in my training. You will get, you know what I'm saying, you'll get the methods and stuff like that. And you'll get all the sources too. Alright, look, let's get started. Come right here. Go to all people. This how I find, you know what I'm saying, my leads. You can do schools, you can type in, you know what I'm saying, university, school, like colleges and stuff like that. I did Temple, you know what I'm saying, I did Temple already. The companies, this right here, this which is like the stores like Walmart, stuff like that. Foot Locker, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's a good thing. Foot Locker. See? Alright, Foot Locker. Now we're going for people that work at Foot Locker. Now, right here from the year range and everything. Now I already did the math, so it's like 2018 subtracted by 1978, that's 40. And next thing you know, 2018 and subtracted by 2000, that's 18. So subtract the people from ages from, you know what I'm saying, 18 to 40. Now let's go to find people. Now that site automatically, you know what I'm saying, it converts straight to, you know what I'm saying, Facebook. Now it automatically just did the found everybody for me that worked at Foot Locker and stuff like that. So now this is what I do. I use one of my little one of my strategies just to help me get things done real quick and everything. You know what I'm saying? I use the tool. Alright, look. Now this right here, this tool it helped me, you know what I'm saying, instead of me scrolling all the way down just to click all them buttons and everything. Like I ain't gotta, like right here. See, look, this right here, it control this. Look. See, I just hit that, it go down. See? It's like a tool that control all that stuff. So this is very effective. Now, watch this. When you say add friend, add friend, add friend, add friend, watch them click this and it's going to automatically, you know what I'm saying, add them. I ain't got to do nothing. That's one thing about it. I fall back, I just, you know what I'm saying, I just run it. You know what I'm saying? That's one thing about it. I just run it. You know what I'm saying? It ain't, you know what I'm saying, it ain't about nothing. And the main thing I wanted to tell y'all, cause look, now by me doing this every time, like every day, and sometimes it probably be like a week from now that person that got tuned in from your information that you gave them that they request about, right? And it could probably be like a week later because they waiting on their check, and right now they got enough time just to read about, you know what I'm saying, the offer, just to see, you know what I'm saying, how good you is, the training and stuff like that. And you saw to say all add friend buttons are clicked. See? Alright, bang. So look. And I was just chilling and everything, like. Alright, look, let me see. Let's go right here. Let's see. Yeah. I was just talking to the guy, You know what I'm saying? Here we go, right here. Alright, just met you right here. Alright, look. And peep this. This was, you know what I'm saying, yeah. It was January the 25th, 2017. 2017. Right? And next thing you know, now he probably, you know what I'm saying, like, it been a minute, but give it some time. Like when a person just like, start seeing what's going on and everything. And next thing you know, they start hearing about you, start seeing your face. Next thing you know, he had waved at me today. And peep this, I was just, I'm just still doing what I love to do, but next thing you know, he just, you know what I'm saying? Hold on. Look, he's like, I want to join MCA, inbox me. You know what I'm saying? And that was a minute ago. But right here, he had waved at me. So I was like, you know what I'm saying? I was like, hey, Mitchell, how's it going? He was like, okay. Next thing you know, I was like, to learn how to make an extra $400 to $1,200 a week on autopilot, working a few hours a day from the comfort of your own home, using a cell phone, laptop, or tablet. Please follow these instructions. Step 1, click my link. Step 2, watch the video. Step 3, message me when you're done. So I get you know what I'm saying, started. So once he, you know what I'm saying, like sign up and everything, and he messaged me right back. Next, you know, I will send him my training and add him, you know what I'm saying, to the group too. So, you know what I'm saying, it ain't about nothing. So, you know what I'm saying, we got a team that we all, you know what I'm saying, like making money and everything, but you know what I'm saying, we teach another, like when a person sign on, we teach another person how to make money, just do it every day. You know what I'm saying? Like, why not? Like, come on now. Some people be on Facebook just for the entertainment. You know what I'm saying? Some people won't be on here just to, like, you know what I'm saying, try to talk to girls, get in relationships and stuff like that. Hey, listen, I get on here to make money. You feel me? I get on here to make money. You know what I'm saying? I ain't, you know what I'm saying, I don't waste my time and none of that stuff. Like, come on now. Look, let me put the map together. Look. It's simple. If you make $80, you know what I'm saying, you can make, this could be, you know what I'm saying, extra income. 80 times 7. Right? 80 times 7. And then next thing you know, that's $560 a week right there. Making it sell every day. And that's only just like a few minutes. The only thing you really doing is just getting traffic, and then sending them the information. Like, come on now. Traffic ain't about nothing. Like this person right here. You know what I'm saying? This was the other day. Asked me about the information. You know what I'm saying? I had asked me about the information and stuff, so I sent that person the information. You got some people, you know what I'm saying, ask questions, but I got the whole formula. Like right here. I just sent this. Sent this. I was like, the kids promoting the right way. In my case, people come to me for information instead of going to people. I can teach you how to do that. This has nothing to do if you're popular or famous. It's all technique. I'm willing to train you so you can start making money as quick as next week. Note, if you are doing the formula, people will come to you. Trust me. If you do the formula right, they will come to you. Check out this free video explaining how to earn. Right? And that's simple. That's simple. You know what I'm saying? But you know what I'm saying? Join my team. You know what I'm saying? Join my team and everything. I'll show you how quick, you know what I'm saying, start making money real fast. Peace.